Greenies, 130 quantities for small to big dogs. If you care about your dog, you want to check this product. Hi, it's Erin. If you are a family with dogs, you know how important it is to maintain their health. One of the essential parts of a dog's health care is teeth. The reason I made this video because to give you a simple idea to prevent tartar teeth, so my little buddy does not suffer. I have been asking so many different vets to get the answer to prevent the dog teeth issue. Some vets recommended brushing their teeth, but it was not easy. So, I asked again to vets and some experts. They mentioned giving a treat Greenies. I started to give treat Greenies one per day. And, now it's almost 8 years for my buddy enjoyed Greenies. I could see that the tartar issues prevented slowly. I don't think Greenies will remove tartar, but it prevents. If your dog needs scaling, you can try the PetSmart. Which Greenies do you need for your dogs? My buddy is YorkiePoo, 18 pounds. You do not need to get something more expansive or bigger size Greenies. I always purchased 130 quantity Teenie Greenies for any size of dogs. I give half of Greenies in the morning and night. So, 1 total. You can find more information to click the link right below. I tried to use other similar Greenies products, but it has never worked for me. I highly recommend this product.